Hello guys, my name is Rudra. Ahir, how are you? I am going to make a mojito. Let's go. I will show you how to make a mojito. Hi friends, today I am showing you how to make mojito. So first we have to take one lemon and squeeze a lemon in this glass jar. And then we add some masala in this. And we put some cinnamon powder. Like this. Then we add some gatodine. And we cut the apple in the thin slice. Two slices enough. Let me get some ice. This is the ice. First we put some mint in this, and then we put the ice. There we go. Then we put some Sprite in this. This is the mojito ready. Let's take a drink.